Srigana from Veermal College of Engineering and Technology, Madurai. For my winter internship, I applied for intern at Dextra Technologies. In Dextra Technologies, they offered 4 different platforms such as web development, mobile app development, digital marketing, and WordPress. I chose to join as a web developer intern, in which we focused on developing a website using Shopify. I have always admired Shopify's mission to empower businesses worldwide. Shopify's culture is very inclusive and innovative. I thoroughly enjoyed working on a e-commerce clothing website project, and now I am looking forward to create a visually appealing and user-friendly website on my own. Through this internship, I developed valuable skills in e-commerce website development and also improved my communication and teamwork skills by collaborating with such a diverse team. Additionally, I gained hands-on experience with Shopify's platform, including its themes, apps, and APIs. I would absolutely recommend this internship with Dextra Technologies. It is a great opportunity to learn, grow, and make an impact. If you are applying, make sure to showcase your passion for learning and solving problems. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the management at Dextra Technologies and to Mr. Babu for their invaluable guidance and support throughout my internship. I would highly recommend this enriching opportunity to my HOD for future batches of students to benefit from this experience. Thank you.